At this point, obviously, she's facing potential criminal charges, and Miranda would say to avoid that, obviously. But she could be facing some civil liability.
Attorney Emery Anthony and Hoover Police Chief Nick Durzis met at City Hall today to discuss what's next for 25-year-old Carlee Russell now that she has admitted her kidnapping story was made up.
Try to identify some things about where we go from here, responsibilities that we need to take care of.
Some local criminal defense attorneys believe those responsibilities could be centered around addressing charges that could be filed. Attorney Edward Merrill says Carlee's initial interview with police could be the first crime addressed.
Depending on what she told law enforcement and which agency she told it to, she could be looking at obstruction of justice. She could be looking at filing false police reports, things of that nature, all of which in Alabama are misdemeanor, Class A misdemeanors.
That charge can come with a fine of up to $6,000 or a jail sentence of up to 1 year. Merrill says a civil charge could also follow.
She could be found liable civilly. Based on the amount of resources that were exhausted in this, the feds could come in and ask for a bill. City could ask for a bill. The county, whoever participated in it, could ask that she have to pay back the resources and time.
The district attorney will decide if those charges are filed. In the meantime, Merrill suspects Russell's attorney will still begin to prepare for court proceedings.
Try to point out to the prosecutors what her mental condition was at the time and show that most likely she just wasn't thinking, trying to avoid the long-term effects like a jail sentence. She may be looking at pleading to something in order to avoid a jail sentence.